Alright, so this just came in today. Thought I'd do a little unboxing video. A little simple video, nothing too detailed, but maybe you guys interested in the Apple Watch Series 6. I know I have been in the market for a watch since earlier this year. And this was on my mind because I knew it was coming out at the end of the year. I decided to wait. And let's see if the wait was worth it. Let's peel off Apple's satisfying package. Get the plastic off. Alright. Set that over here. Nice little box. Open it. Wow, I'm impressed. One thing that Apple does really well is presentation. They're really good at all their products come well wrapped, well packaged, and yeah, I'm definitely impressed. We got the watch and the watch band. Alright, set that off. Pretty much know what that is, self-explanatory. Let's get what we're here for. What everybody came to see. The watch. I can get the box open. Bam! Opened it backwards, but the watch is here nonetheless. Watch comes a nice package. Of course, of course, the manuals come with every package, every Apple product. Manuals, everybody knows about that. See how this came with a charging puck. I'm a little confused now because I remember specifically them saying the watch won't come with a puck. I'm very shocked to see this in here. I mean, wow. I went ahead and bought me another charger because I was told the watch isn't going to have a charger. Alright, here's the watch. Now, let's see. How do you take this out? This slides out carefully. I didn't splurge on this watch. I got minimal specs as far as the case goes. It's an aluminum case. I didn't spring for the titanium. You got all the sensors that'll read your blood oxygen levels and all that stuff. I got it booting up right now, so let's give it some time. Let it boot up. I mean, it's still pretty heavy. I thought the aluminum might be on the little light side, but it's not. And there you have it. It's the watch. Nice, beautiful display, which we can get into on another video, but I'm going to set this off to the side. I'm going to put it on the puck. It's a good place for it. I'm going to open up this watch band now. I got this watch band. I also got this case I got from Amazon, which I'll leave a link in the description below if you're interested. But I like it because it's nice and cottony. Can just fold up your watch bands. Holds about 6, 7, something like that. Don't quote me on that, but yeah, can do another video on it. I don't know, but you'll be able to see it in the description below. Let's see. Okay. The watch band. Now this ain't the exciting part, but I want to show y'all my Apple's beautiful display. Kind of gives you instructions on your watch band. And I'm going to take my mini band holder. See, it just unfolds, and inside will be your watch bands. I have Another band I want to put on here. So I'm just going to take this out. It's oddly satisfying taking out, actually. I'm going to take your watch bands. Some plastic on there. So that's for the big wrist. It's for your small wrist. Set them in here. Now, it's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can fit about 6 watch bands in here, which is nice. Just gonna tuck these in here. Pretty sure. Maybe I should put these facing the right way here. Alright. Put the red. I got my red strap. So they're little third-party straps, not Apple related. And you see, you can just fold this up like so. Strap your extra watch bands like so, and put them to the side. Take my red band, my watch, and install. Now that I got the band on, watch, band. I think it looks kind of sharp. So, I'm going to take my Fitbit off. I don't know if I told you guys yet, but the watch comes in 2 sizes, 40 and 44. My watch size is 44. 44 millimeters. There you have it, guys. I'll leave a link to the product in the description below if you're interested in the Apple or the watch band holder. And yeah, there you have it, guys. Apple Watch.